Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video of the AutoCAD Full Course 2019. And in this video we're gonna learn how to use the Polygon command right here. And there is many ways to access this command, simply by clicking on the icon on the home palette on the ribbon, or just by going to the view, then tool palettes, there it is right here, or just by typing on the screen Polygon, and there it is. Polygon, and there it is. After clicking on the icon, he's gonna ask you to specify the number of the sides of the polygon. I'm gonna choose 10. Then specify the center of the polygon right here. Then there is two options. Inscript in a circle. That means the polygon is gonna be inside the circle. If you draw a circle above the polygon, he is gonna be inside of that circle. The other option is circumscript about circle. If you draw a circle, the polygon is gonna be out of that circle. This is all about these two options, and we're gonna try both of them, and we're gonna draw a circle about them, and we're gonna see the difference between them. So I'm gonna choose inscript in a circle like this. Then let me draw a circle about this. Let me draw a circle right here, and we're gonna see. If you notice, the polygon is inside the circle. If I go again and draw another polygon, but I'm gonna choose the circumscript about circle like that. Then I'm gonna draw a circle. Like you noticed, the polygon is out of that circle, and this is the difference between the two options. That was pretty much what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you will subscribe for the channel. Thank you again, and stay tuned for another video.